The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dance! Viewers and subscribers, what you just saw a while ago is a surveillance footage from the Coney Island Dunkin' Donut shop that's in New York, United States of America. And you just saw a man entering the shop, adjusting his pants, and his gun fell out. Now that gun hit the floor right in front of 3 New York police officers. NYPD. He got arrested immediately. Now it has been said that this man that has been arrested, he is 34 years old and is also an ex-con and a felon. Right. So it just so happens that he just walked and put himself into the hands of the law. Now there's one thing I have to point out, because some persons say that the gun might be licensed and so forth. However, if somebody's going to say that the gun is licensed, right, or it could be licensed, or why he's walking with the gun like that if it's licensed, then why is it that when the gun hit the floor and he realizes, because it seems to me like he realizes that there's police officers in front of him, why is it that he pretends, or he puts, is it a cellular phone or is it something? Why is it that he just makes such a turn like that? Like, why? If you're a licensed firearm holder, you're going to take your time, take up your pistol and explain yourself to the police officers. Me wrong or me right? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, me leave it with you right there. So for you, tell me what you think about this, where you see right here. So alright. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?